Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Peer Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend, or even leave a comment. So today's product is really cool if you are a pet owner. It is by a company called Wopet, and it is a treat dispenser. So this is the box it comes in. The model is the D01. It's designed for dogs, but honestly it can work with cats too. Obviously dogs just interact more, but it can be used for both pets. Essentially, when you open it up, this is the device itself, which we will go over here in a minute. You're also going to get an instruction booklet. Be sure to flip through this because it has some tips on what the various lights mean, and some troubleshooting in case you have any issues, but it includes that. It also includes a USB to USB cable. This is how it gets its power. Now I have it kind of just plugged in here, but they also do include a brick, so you can plug it into a wall outlet. And then this part plugs into the device itself. So where that is right here on the side. And this thing has a lot of cool features. So let's kind of go over it. As you can kind of see the design here. On the bottom, here is a speaker. So you can talk to your pet through it if you want. So you can kind of call them and then launch a treat remotely from your phone. It also has these little suction cups on the bottom here that keeps it from sliding around. You can suction cup it to a table or to the floor, etc. Down here, this is where the treat launches out. There's a set button. You can manually launch a treat if you just press that button. Or this is also like you hold this down and this is how you set it up, which we'll go over in a minute. Then this is the camera. Now the camera has a 165 view angle, so it's got a pretty wide view angle. And then it does SD or HD. The HD is 1080p. And then it also has an infrared night mode. So the night vision works pretty good. But, you know, if your pet's wandering around at night, you can kind of use this as a doggy cam, if you will. It doesn't have to just be used as a treat dispenser, which is kind of cool. And then, like I said, there's already speakers here, and there's mics right here. There's one is a light that kind of gives you the status. The other one is a mic, and that's in case you want to talk to your pet. You can do it through the app on the phone. But yeah, so that's it. And then on the top, this removes. Take that off there. And then this is where you put the treats. Now, for dog treats, you know, they need to be smaller because it's got to go through this little dispenser and shoot out. But anything like regular dog food will work. And then like if you've seen like the greenies for cats, those will work. But the bigger they get, then the more you could have a potential of them getting kind of stuck. So just keep that in mind. And then the last thing about it is on the back, if you'd prefer, they even include some hooks in case you actually want to hang it on the wall, if you prefer that, and get some more launching out of it. But setup was really easy. So I'm going to put a video here in the corner of how to set up and walk it through. But essentially, you're going to download the Wopet app, which you can get in either the Apple Store or the Android Store. Once you download that, just register. It just needs your email. You set up a password. And then you're going to see it's as I'm going through walking the steps. You connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now, this is an important part. The device connects to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you have a 5 gigahertz only Wi-Fi, which is kind of rare, but if you have that only, then it won't connect. Or if you have your router is like a managed and it's automatically trying to put it on the 5, then it may not recognize it. You may need to split that signal out, but it does run. And a lot of the cameras, whether it's these or other devices, like to run on the 2.4, which is actually better because you want to keep your higher end devices like your computer and all that running on the higher, so that way they run faster and they don't get bogged down. But either way, once you have that, you set it up and then you scan a barcode and bam, it connects. And then it has lots of little settings you can go through and adjust. You can adjust the volume, you can change the name of the camera, You can kind of set up what you want to, if you want to be able to do the talking, the sensitiveness of the motion sensor. You can even, now I haven't tried it, but you can even link it to Amazon Alexa device and use that if you so desire. But yeah, it's a really cool device. Like I said, it works both for cats or dogs. It's a lot of fun to play with. You can get some great footage via the app. So in the app, you can kind of take pictures, take videos, and all that kind of stuff. So let's kind of show you some footage of what it looks like from the dog's perspective, and kind of show you what it kind of looks like and how it controls that way. All right, so now you've kind of seen my dog playing with it and eating some treats, which, like I said, it's really cool. You can take pictures, the videos, launch the treats how you wish. You can even, I guess, launch some food if you want, but that's basically the rundown. So feel free to hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. I will include a link, like I said, will take you to Amazon if you want to find out more information on it. And that is it until the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Help this little guy out by hitting that subscribe button. And then maybe sharing or hitting the like button too.